Hi guys, I'm Isa. Today we're going to learn about algebra. So, what most of you are probably familiar with is arithmetic, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But algebra, it adds a new rule, which are variables. So, variables, it could be any letter of the alphabet, from A to Z. Variables are used to represent values, like, for example, I can set x to equals 7, or y equals 4. The goal of algebra is to find out these values. So a couple of rules that the algebra has. The first rule is that variables can only have one value. They can't have two values. That's wrong. If you want to have more than one value, then assign it to another value, another variable. And if you want to multiply variables in algebra, like if you want to multiply 2 by x times y, and instead of writing 2 times x times y, instead you just write 2xy. So it does that to make things more simpler. But if you want to multiply something like 4 by 5, so you can't just write 45. If you want to multiply like 2x by 7, you can't just write 2x7. People will confuse it with the real number. So if you want to multiply 4 by 5, that's the only time when you're going to have to use the multiplication sign. 4 times 5. If you multiply 2x by 7, you will also use the multiplication sign. So 2x times 7. Anyways, so the different types of algebraic formulas, expressions and equations. Expressions, they want algebraic formulas without the equal sign. So like this one, 2x is equal to, I meant 2x plus 4. But equations, they want with the equal sign, like 2x plus 4 equals 10. So, in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to solve expressions. So, let me give a simple algebraic expression. 4x plus 2x plus 7 plus 3. So, in algebra, if the end, the end of, like if the variable parts of any number is the same, you could add them. Like, you could add 4x and 2x, but you can't add like 4y with 2x, and you can't add 4xy to 2x. Anyways, 4x plus 2x, 4 plus 2 is 6, so it's going to be 6x. So we're going to say plus, so 7 plus 3, which is 10. 6x is 10. That's the answer. So let's do one where things are a little bit more mixed up. So like for example, 4x plus 7 plus 2x minus 4. Guess what? 4x and 2x are separate. So we're gonna have to move them. Also, in algebra, you have to take note of the sign. Like for example, if you want to move negative 4 over here, so that's 6, it could be added to plus 7. You can't just move only the 4. You can't just move only the 4 like that. You have to move 4 with the sign that goes with it. So like if you want to move 2x to the 4x place, we're gonna have to move 2x with the sign that it has. So 4x and then 2x, it's going to be moved over to this place. So 4x plus 2x, oh yeah, plus 2x is moving, not just ordinary 2x. 11 plus 7 is going to go to this place. So 4x plus 2x plus 7 minus 4. So 4x plus 2x is 6x again, plus 7, or just 7, plus 7 minus 4. So plus 7 minus 4 is 3. So that's our final answer, 6x plus 3. So yeah, this is the entire equation. So in algebra, we also do division and multiplication. So if we want to multiply 6 in algebra, instead of writing 5 times 2, you can also write 5 brackets 2. And if you want to multiply, it by multiple things, like you can multiply 5 by 2 plus 3. If you want to solve this type of equation, and this type of expression, so 5 times 2 is 10. You add that to 5 times 3, which is 15. So multiply 5 by this to give you 10, and you also multiply 5 by this to give you 15. You can also just add up the values in here, so like 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is, 5, and 5 times 5 is 25, which is also the sum of 10 and 15. So anyways, so let's do another equation. So we're going to say, for example, 2 4x minus 6. We're going to say plus 4 over 8x. So I'm going to add a plus 2y. So I'm just minus 7. Anyways, now let's solve this equation. The first thing we're going to have to do is to multiply 2 by 4x and negative 6. So let's just say 2 times 4x is 8x. So 8x. And 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Plus 4. We're still gonna have that plus 4. Over 8x. And plus 2y minus 7. Plus 2y minus 7. Right, so now let's simplify even more. This 8x, there's 8x on both sides, so it just cancel it out. Move out the equation. So what's going to remain is negative 12 plus 4 plus 2y minus 7. Now let's switch things around so that you can be able to do stuff. So negative 12 is gonna still be here. Negative 12 plus 4. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 2y minus 7. Right, so lastly, we're going to have to move 7 to the other place. So negative 8, negative 7 is going to go over here. Negative 8 minus 7, and 2y is going to go here, plus 2y. So negative 8 minus 7, that should be negative 15 plus 2y. So you can't simplify this any further because, as I said, you can only add things if they have the same variable. But if this was a multiplication side, for instance, then you could just multiply negative 15 by 2y, which would make, negative 30y. But it's addition, so we can't do anything about it. Anyways, so this is the entire equation, step by step solved. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.